choice. A lot of people go for the secure first progress card only if they got like their credit score is so bad they cannot get like a Discover secure credit card, Capital One secure credit card, or Navy Federal secure credit card. If you can't get those, then I do suggest you go ahead and get that first progress and start building your credit from there. But if you guys can try to get those other credit cards, then definitely get those other credit cards because they're going to graduate to regular credit cards. Unsecured credit cards, they're going to give you your deposit back. After you put a deposit down, they're going to give you your deposit back. Like Navy Federal go from a $200 credit card, and in 6 months, they can give you your deposit back and give you a $2,000 credit card. So I would try to get those first. Now let's go ahead and look at some of these credit cards. Because there's quite a few of them. Let's just go to my website. Let me just search it. Rickita.com. You'll see it. And I have the search bar here. You can search. I'm going to search build because you're trying to build credit. You're in the building stage. Because I have a list of like the best credit cards to build credit. So you can go ahead and click there. And let me show you those credit cards that's going to actually graduate. Try to get the Discover is secure credit card because it is going to graduate. You guys are going to get 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, 1% cash back everywhere else. And then after your first year, they're going to double whatever your cash back is for that first year. They're going to double it. And they don't have an annual fee. Plus, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So before you get the first progress, try to see if they can pre-qualify you for this credit card without a hard inquiry. Also, that in rewards, this is that credit card that can go from $200 to $2,000. They don't have an annual fee for this credit card, which is really good. So try to see if you can pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry. And then you got the Capital One Platinum and Quicksilver secure credit cards that you guys can check out. But try to see if you can just pre-qualify for the Capital One credit cards in general. See if you're pre-approved for it, and then they'll let you know which credit cards they can actually give you. But definitely check out these credit cards first, and they're under the best credit cards to build credit, because these are the best credit cards to build credit. Once you guys are able to get these credit cards here, they're going to start reporting to the credit bureaus, increase your credit score, and then they'll be able to graduate to an unsecured credit card, give you your money back, plus give you a higher limit. They are lit upstairs. I can just hear them. We got a few more questions. My little ones are out of school, so they are louder than normal. I'm sorry, it's just so loud. I had to say something. Just a few more questions, though. Actually, two more questions. Can student loans affect the approval chances? Student loans can affect your approval chances for homes, cars, also some credit cards or personal loans because it is debt. So they can affect your chances because of debt. And if you have any late payments on the student loans, those late payments is definitely going to affect your chances of you actually getting approved for any of these different things. Now, you can work to remove those late payments, but sometimes you work to remove those late payments, the whole account will be removed. And sometimes the best thing about your student loans is the age. Like the age is the best thing. So sometimes you don't even want to remove those late payments, or you don't want to mess with them because you don't want the full account to be removed, but they can definitely affect you. Oh, let's see. Question. I have a question. If I have 7 years of credit history. Oh, no. If you have 7 years of credit history and you apply for another credit card, you're not going to go back to a one month of credit history. What they're going to do is they're going to average it. They got the average of your credit history, not just the last time you got a credit card. They're going to average it out. So if you actually just get that one credit card, you should still have a great average. Now, if you continue to get more credit cards and now it seems like your average is just going down because now you have so many cards that's new, then you're going to see your average is going to go down, but you're not going to go to one. It's going to gradually go down.